of a last chance agreement. Now, this is a common name for these types of arrangements, but certainly no magic to the term last chance agreement. It's not a statutory concept or anything like that. And by the same token, last chance agreements are not limited to drug and alcohol situations, but they are common to them overall. I have worked with many different employers across many different industries on various drug and alcohol related circumstances that result in an agreement that I would lump into this category called last chance agreement. And basically what it is an agreement, sometimes because there's a union involved and there would have to be a discipline leading to potential grievance and arbitration, and that one needs to be resolved or what have you. Sometimes just in a purely at-will employment situation, public or private sector alike, the idea is the employee acknowledges that they did something related, in this case, to drug or alcohol use, misuse, and that doing so again would have serious repercussions, likely meaning that they agree that if they're in violation of related requirements in the future, then their employment will be terminated, potentially without the ability to grieve it where that's the case, or otherwise with an acknowledgement that they wouldn't have the right to future employment if that happens. Now, these last chance agreements further also often have treatment requirements, or at least a referral to EAP or some referral for assessment. They can even include requirements that the employee authorize that any treating professionals provide certain information to the employer, which, if nothing else, is designed to allow the employer to get confirmation without HIPAA concerns that the person is actually doing whatever it is that they're supposed to be doing and receiving whatever treatment they're supposed to be receiving. So these documents are not unusual. They're not required in most situations by any form of law, but in most cases, they're not prohibited by any form of law either. So they are a potential option. And again, you could do it for any other form of discipline. If you get, caught falsifying documents again, if you get into another altercation with a coworker. But one of the reasons why they seem to come up so much with the last chance agreement, really, with a drug and alcohol issue, is really the concept of treatment, because in a lot of cases, other than a medical, underlying addiction / medical / disability issue, maybe the person wouldn't have gotten into this position. And, at the end of the day, people are good people, and we want people to get the help they need